you don't have it.
I don't.
I mean, you don't have the build files, and like for you to get the models off of here would be really hard. So I'm not really that worried about it. I don't think you're that dedicated.
Luckily for you, I don't want it.
Yeah, baby.
Oh, they line up so well. That's your hand. That's actually really good.
Yeah. Let's go.
Could be better. But that's perfect for this situation.
Oh, look at this engine model looking pretty.
It looks like we're actually.
I know, right? Yeah.
Fuck all words.
It looks so good. Oh. And the virtual lights and everything. Oh. I had a version with shadows, and that was really cool, but I turned it off because of performance.
Oh. Okay, it should be like free now, yeah.
Yeah. This is way too much fun, dude.
Man, what a breakthrough.
Oh, this is so cool.
Oh no. Also, do you disable a Guardian and just fucking go?
You're right. I mean, I guess I do have a Guardian, but mine's pretty big. I still haven't found the edge of it.
Mine's kind of tiny.
That's fair.
Oh my
god. What was that?
Oh my god. Oh, that's right, we have Raycast now.
Yeah, we have Raycast.
Remember? Oh,
yeah, we didn't have Raycast last time.
You're
But
like,
I have Raycast now. So you can just like.
Oh no. Oh my god, dude.
I'm just taking it, bro.
Why is it so hard? Jeez.
And the cool thing is that if I want to switch back to a virtual environment, I just toggle the pass-through back on. And now we're in the W7.
Oh god, it's so laggy.
Yeah, I was going to say, I've been trying to figure out performance on this, but it's rough. I was afraid of that. With one player, it's not too bad, but with two players, it's brutal.
Pass-through.
Because the pass-through is still enabled underneath the virtual scene, which, like, if you walk far enough, you'll get outside the facility. And you'll be in pass-through again. In fact, let me just do that. Wait, I gotta figure out somewhere that I can't do that. I want outside the Guardian, never mind. The Guardian's gonna make this difficult.
So I should disable it?
Walk outside this one, maybe.
I'm gonna disable my Guardian. Oh, you're still recording.
There we go. You can see it there. The end of the past. Virtual environment.
Whoops, so you can teleport in this.
Yeah, you can.
That fucked me up.
I did that on purpose.
Yeah, for the W7. That fucked me up.
Yeah, I left teleportation on purpose. It is a little weird though, not gonna lie. Not sure how much I like it, but. Oh yeah, sorry, you can teleport outside the W7. I was stupid, that was really dumb. I should have just done that. So you can go outside the W7 and you're still in pass-through. Or go back into W7.
Alright. Care if I stop the recording at all?
Oh yeah, you're going to stop it. Yeah.